Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres released today, and I decided to go to the mall to see what retros are sitting. I ended up grabbing a piece from Urban and a piece from Pacsun that I'm gonna show y'all later in the video. And for my Ye fans, I found a hidden Kanye album on Apple Music. All that in this video. If y'all do end up enjoying, make sure you leave a like on this one down below. I know we could get 150 likes easily. Also help me reach Kobe's number, which is 24,000 subscribers. But I don't want to talk too much. Let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this video. The yellow ochre Jordan 1s are actually one of my favorites from any yellow Jordan 1 we have seen. Surprisingly enough, these are sitting in a full size run on sneakers. Not one size sold out this morning. Pretty sure it's because people know that they could get these for the low if they just wait a little bit. That doesn't take away from the quality and materials on this pair. I did a full review showing y'all the little details on this sneaker. These are actually crispy in my opinion. Y'all could save yourself some money by getting them on secondary markets or just waiting. Size 10 is going for 150 on StockX. After fees and everything, you end up paying 171, which is a little bit less than retail. If you hold on a little longer, you definitely could get them for way less. On sale, I definitely say be patient with this one. You should probably cop the Bread 4 Reimagined before this pair. Before I take y'all to the mall with me, I want to show you the secret Kanye album, which he might have or might have not released under a different name. First, obviously, go to Apple Music, boom, search Kanye West, go into his profile or whatever. You're gonna see the Vulture album, click that. Then you see this third artist, technically, the Y dollar sign. Click on that. If you scroll all the way down, there's similar artists, right? And then you find this weird artist, which is BR1X3R. Click that. Then here you're gonna find some unreleased or released under a different name songs. Album is Man Across the Sea. There's like 15 songs on here. I wonder if I could play it and not get copyrighted because it's not Kanye. I'll play it for a little bit. There's actually some heat on here. I'm gonna play one song real quick. Dear Summer.
Drunk texting, I should probably Supertron. Had to do wrong, order to do you right. You gotta go through it, order to give advice.
He's saying some shit on this album. That's all I'm gonna say. If y'all want to check that out, I can't really link it in the description, but I showed y'all how to get there. To each his own. I know some people don't with Ye, but it is what it is. Music still go crazy. Had to share that with y'all real quick, but let's go to the mall and show y'all whether or not these are sitting and what other retros I found at the mall. First thing I saw was the yellow ochre Jordan 1s at JD. This is crazy, bro. Everything sits. These are so clean, and I feel like down the line, these might even go on sale. They're looking super splendid. I noticed that the quality is still nice on this pair. It wasn't just my pair. The leather's looking plush on these too. So I took a deep look at them. They also had the Wheat 13s still sitting, which, like I told y'all, this is one of my favorite 13s. I love the fact that 13s are actually comfortable. Look at that bubble, bro. So crispy. When these go on sale, I'm first in line. I need these. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Must cop for sure. They also got these lows, which should have dropped in the summer. Here I gotta get my thumbnail, obviously. Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined still sitting. This shit look huge in this picture. I'm not gonna lie, size 13 I think, but they're still in stock. Like, it's crazy. These dropped months ago at this point and they haven't moved. People really did not like these at all. I don't think they're terrible, but they were sitting, so people don't agree. These mauve Jordan 1s, bro, the first ones to go on sale. I think materials on these are foo, and it's some more feminine sneakers, so it's kind of ass. I looked at the whole wall. There wasn't really much there at this point. Hella retros at Footlocker, though. They got the weeds still. I don't understand how these still not on sale, bro. I'm tripping. We had these Jordan 6 grapes or aquas. Not bad. I think these are cool, but just give us the 8s. Fear 3s still sitting. It's insane to me. I love these right here. I'm actually excited for the 4s to come out already. Mauve Jordan 1s again. We did have the stealth Jordan 1s, but this size was huge, bro. Yacht Gang size 13 on that one. And then Royal Reimagines again. Don't let me down. They always in there. Jordan 1 lows. And we had the red Jordan 1 lows that should have dropped in the summer. Like, come on, bro. What is going on? Obviously, the Jordan 1 yellow ochres are sitting. I did see them at Footlocker as well, but there was like mad people hovering around them. You know, they put them in the little glass case like this at Footlocker, so I honestly didn't want to bother when there were so many people, and by the time I looked at everything else, I forgot, to be honest. But these are sitting, and honestly, they might go on sale. If Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined are still sitting, these gonna sit, bro. It is what it is, just my opinion. Clean ass sneaker though, regardless. Just wait till they go on sale. It's kind of a weird market that we're in. We already been through this, but yeah, let me know if y'all copped or if you're gonna cop once they get a little cheaper. Last but not least, I do got this bag right here from Urban Outfitters. There is a piece I got from Pacsun as well, so I'm gonna show y'all everything I picked up, then we'll get straight up out the building. I ended up grabbing this brown denim jacket. This was on sale for $44, and currently they got like a 50% off sale items, so I was like, bro, I need that. Had to grab it. It almost fits perfectly with the hat I got on. Anything cream works with this jacket. That's honestly the reason I wanted to get it. I know some people don't wear denim jackets in the winter. I don't really follow any of that. If I like it, I wear it type shit. I could low-key make this jacket work with the yellow ochres. Reimagine white cement. I could wear this jacket with all the cream sneakers that Jordan Brand has been dropping, so I had to grab this. I ended up paying $22 for this jacket. Let me know if it's a W or L pickup in the comments. $22, I had to do it. The last piece is actually from Pacsun. Y'all probably know they carry essentials, so I went in there and I found a tee in the ink colorway. I don't know what that means, but this is a size small. Low-key, I'm fitting large XL these days. I thought this one was hard. There is actually another colorway of this that I might go back and grab. This is the full retail price. Has that essentials rubber patch on the front. Obviously, essentials hang tag. Does also have Fear God branding on the back. This one was fire, so I had to grab it. This runs hella oversized, like a boxy cut, but this one was clean, so I decided to pick it up. I was teetering between this one and another one. Let me know if I should go back for the other color. I hope it doesn't sell out because I thought this one was clean. I don't own any tees from Essential till this point, so I'm excited to have this one. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, it's a little bit different. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but I wanted to have more than just the sneakers in this video. Since obviously I do like more than sneakers, I decided to go pick up some stuff at the mall, and that Kanye album I stumbled across, had to show y'all. Let me know in the comments after y'all listen, what's your favorite song? There might be a couple other songs that I did find, but we'll get into that in another video because I'm trying to compile a couple extras. But yeah, yellow ochre Jordan 1s are sitting. Obviously it was highly expected. We already knew this was gonna happen. Wait till these go on sale. You can get them at a better price. Y'all already know the vibes. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. I know we could hit 150 likes minimum on this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel. This year we're gonna go crazy with the content. I'm finally gonna show y'all the early pair of dunks that I haven't seen anybody on YouTube with. That's gonna be one of the next upcoming videos, so make sure y'all subscribe for that. And all that being said, check out one of these two videos. That's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on what you've been watching recently. I appreciate all the love and support y'all have been giving me, and I'm gonna catch y'all on one of these two videos. Peace.